Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Boofus' Sports Card Collecting. Today I got the April edition of Jabs' $51 donation. But before I start the donation reveal or open, I want to give a big shout out to my buddy Ed. I picked up another phenomenal card from him this time. Absolutely phenomenal. I definitely want to see what you guys think of this card. Okay, so once it comes in focus a little better, there you go. It's a nice Ronald Acuna Jr. patch card from the Arizona League back in the when he was in the minors. So you've just received a 2017 AFL Fall Stars relic of Ronald Acuna Jr. from 2018 Bowman Chrome Baseball, number 77 out of 99. Really, really awesome card. Nice refractor with a patch with the actual sticker that can tell you what happened in that game. Alright, let me put this away and then we'll get to the opening of the $51 tier of Jabs for April. Okay, let me put that in a team bag. Alright, there we go. Ronald Acuna Jr. Alright, now let's go ahead and see. Well, we got a blaster box of Heritage. And let's see what other packs we got in here. I think it's like 6 or 7 packs, I believe. Here, let me get the knife. Alright, let's see what packs he got us this time. Okay, first pack is a hobby pack of Series 1 2021. Then we got a pack of Opening Day. Then we got a pack of Heritage 2020 Heritage. We got 2019 Heritage. We got 2016 Donruss. And we got another pack of 2021 Topps. Okay, so I'll lay these out. Let's see. Opening day. Heritage. First, I'm going to open up the Donruss. I have never opened up any 2016 Donruss, so let's see what this is like. Alright. Top card, I got a Xander Bogaerts, Troy Tulowitzki, Heisei Ikokawa. Oh, that's a crazy name. Let's see. What's this? A P. Rose. Right on. And a Robin Yount. Old school throwback time. Cool. Couple Hall of Famers in. Well, one Hall of Famer that should be and a Hall of Famer. Alright. Next pack. Let's go with the Heritage. Okay. Let's see. Got a Jeffrey Springs and a Jose Trevino from the Rangers. Got a Yasmino Pettit from the Oakland A's. Mark Melicone from the Giants. Maikel Franco from the Phillies. Starling Marte from the Pirates. Austin Romero from the Yankees. Jack Clears Ducks on the Pond, ALCS Game 2. Jackie Clears Ducks on the Pond. ALCS 2018. Come on. Focus. There we go. Excuse me. We got a David Peralta and a Lance McLaren's Jr. Okay. Next pack. I'm going to do this Heritage. 2020 Heritage. See if we can get any good rookies out of the 2020. Okay. So first one's a Robinson Cano. Then we got a Rencio Nuez. Brian Buxton. He's actually doing pretty good this year. He's got like 3 or 4 home runs already. Adam Eaton. Phil Evan. Dislin Lembit from the Padres. Luke Jackson from the Braves. Ismano Vargas from the Diamondbacks, and Chance Cisco from the Orioles. Alright, let's do our opening day pack. I know these are kind of weak, but I've actually been pretty lucky with opening day. So let's see, what do we get? I got an Acuna. I got a David Dahl. I got a Bo Bichette. Future Stars. Claiborne Smith. The Atlanta Braves mascot blooper. Oh yay, him. And I got a Nick Newert. Miami Marlins. There we go. There's that focus. Okay. Next pack. We're going to go with the Topps 2020. We got 2 packs of this. See if we can get anything out of here. Some rookies, inserts, autograph. Who knows? Alright. Let's see. Kevin Kilmer from the Rays. Marco Gonzalez from the Seattle Mariners. Wilson Ramos from the New York Mets. Clayton Kershaw from the Los Angeles Dodgers. Rookie card of Andrus Gimenez from the New York Mets. Right on. Rookie card of Nick Madrigal of the Chicago White Sox. Rookie card of James Kaplan of the Oakland A's. Another right on. Rookie card, Alec Baum. Right on. And a Gavin Lux. Future Stars. And I got an insert, Ichiro Suzuki, his first card, and his last card. Right on. Got a Ronald Acuna Jr., 52. Got a Rhys Hoskins. Got an Aaron Judge. Got a Marvin Gonzalez from the Minnesota Twins. Got a Brandon Woodruff from Milwaukee Brewers. And got a Cody Whiteley from the St. Louis Cardinals rookie card. Okay, last pack. Before we break into that Heritage. Okay, let's see what we get here. Dansbury Swanson from the Braves. Justice Sheffield from the Seattle Mariners. Calvin Biggio from the Toronto Blue Jays. The Baltimore Orioles team card. Texas Rangers. There we go. Okay, this is Brandon Workman from the Philadelphia Phillies. Bobby Dalbec from the Boston Red Sox. That's a good rookie. Got a Danny Duff from the Kansas City Royals. Got a Joe Adele from the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. That's another good rookie. Got a Hank Aaron. Rest in peace, Hank Aaron. 1986 throwback. Nice. Got a Josh Bell. 1952 Topps. Got a Omar Narvaez from the Brewers. Got a Orlando Arcade from the Brewers. Got an Evan White rookie card from the Seattle Mariners. Got a Jesse Whitaker from the Cincinnati Reds. And the last card rookie for Luis Gonzalez from the Washington Nationals. Alright guys, now that we dig into the packs, let's go ahead and dig into this hobby box, or this Blaster of Heritage. So I've been watching, the Mega's been pulled, and my buddy Ethan has done quite well. I think he's opened 3 or 4 Megas, and he has pulled quite a few good autographs. Awesome blue sparkle cards. I don't think we get blue sparkle cards in these, but those blue sparkles are pretty cool, so look out for those boxes if you guys can get them. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the first pack of Heritage. First card, Fernando Tatis Jr. Then a Rhys Hoskins. And an in-action Mookie Betts. In the 2020 AL postseason, Rays are the AL champions. Evan Longoria of the Giants. Tyler Chatwood of the Cubs. 2021 rookie stars Anderson Tejeda and Leroy Taveras of the Rangers. Maliki Franco of the Royals, and Mitch Moreland of the Padres. Okay, next pack. Runtier Nuez of the Orioles. A Boyhood Photos of the Stars, Nico Horner. Sterling Marte. 2021 Rookie Stars, Cardinals, Cody Whiteley and Rody Ramirez. Rookie of the Year Award, Carlos Santana and Not the Singer. Jake Orias. Kyle Tucker. And Spencer Turnbull. Spencer Turnbull. Alright, next pack. There's lots of short prints in this, 401 and higher all short prints. I'll check them out after I go through them. Let's see, Wilson Contreras. We got a Daniel Hudson. We got an in-action Aaron Judge. We got a Bo Bichette. We got a Clayton Kershaw. We got a Mike Trout. We got the great one, Roberto Clemente. That is an insert. Cool card. Got an AJ Puck. Got a Shane Bieber. And got a James Carpenter. Okay, next pack. Alright. We got a George Alfaro. Got a Brady Singer in action rookie card. We got a Michael Chavez from the Red Sox. We got a Starling Marte in action. We got a Mark Macklin from the Braves. We got a Tyler Nickel from the Cleveland team. We got a Zach Greinke. That's a short print. We got a Noah Syndergaard. And we got a Dallas Keuchel. Okay, let me see if we got any other short prints here. Well, looks like we don't have any other short prints. Yep. Looks like we just have the one. Okay. So let's open up our next pack then and see if we can find any more. Okay, Will Myers. Luis Garcia in action. Harshan Alberto from the Orioles. 2020 NL leaders: Trevor Bauer, Yu Darvish, and Danson Lambert. Cincinnati Reds, Chicago Cubs, San Diego Padres. Ronald Acuna Jr. in action. With a puzzle piece in the back too. 2020 World Series Game 4 for the Rays. Dylan Bundy from the Angels. What the heck? Tyler Manhill from the Reds. Trevor May from the Twins. Juan Soto from the Nationals. Okay, next pack. Alright. In action, Miguel Rojas. Jeff Samardzija from the Giants. In action, Josh Bell. With another piece of the puzzle in the back. Albert Pujols. Jose Ramirez in action. There we go. Matt Barnes from the Red Sox. Aaron Judge from the Yankees. Max Fried from the Atlanta Braves. Freddie Galvis from the Cincinnati Reds. And 2020 World Series Game 5, Clayton Kershaw. Next pack. Alright. Let me know what you guys think of Heritage and the packs that I got. Let me know what your favorite card is. This is a Rangel Iglesias from the Reds. This is Hanser Alberto in action. Adam Eaton from the Nationals. Miguel Cabrera in action. Byron Buxton, who's doing really good for the Twins this year. Flashbacks 1972. Pioneer 10 spacecraft. Brandon Nimmo for the Mets. Oop, that's a short print. Ty Buttery for the Angels. And Jason Kippens for the Cubs. Okay, last pack, guys, last pack. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom. I will leave a detailed about the eBay address for my buddy here. This is Estevan Floro and Clark Schmidt from the Yankees. And in action, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., George Monto and Edwin Olivares, 2021 Rookie Stars. Trent Grissom from the Padres, that's a good one. Michael Taylor from the Nationals. Alex Bregman. And I got a Chrome from the Red Sox. I got a Chris Sale. Nice Chrome card. And it's a short print. Nice. Brandon Crawford. And a Jesus Luzardo. Jesus Lizard. Alright guys, so that's the end of my break. I think this was the best card that I pulled. A Chris Sale Chrome Heritage short print. Very nice. But tell me what you guys think of what was your favorite card, and leave a comment, and please subscribe. Peace.